Over 600,000 vulnerable road users worldwide are killed in road crashes every year, many of them due to crashes with large vehicles. Most crashes between large vehicles and road users occur due to significant blind spots surrounding the vehicle. These blind spots pose the largest threat when turning. Mobileye Shield Plus is a revolutionary safety technology for large vehicles operating in urban environments, enabling early detection of cyclists and pedestrians, helping avoid injuries and fatalities. Using an array of strategically placed artificial vision smart cameras, Shield Plus acts as the operator's third eye, continuously monitoring the blind spots. Shield Plus provides real-time visual, audible, and vibration alerts whenever pedestrians or cyclists are in a danger zone, providing operators adequate time to react. Using smart artificial vision technology to analyze the dynamic driving environment, Shield Plus reduces false alerts by ignoring inanimate objects and pedestrians in safe zones. Shield Plus is connected to a telematics system, recording the location of alerts, providing decision-makers with real-time data on infrastructure deficiencies known as hotspots, for the first time giving them the tools to create the necessary changes and reduce potential collisions. The revolutionary Shield Plus technology creates a smarter urban environment, making our cities safer for everyone.